Okay guys, Silver Game of Thrones. Good morning, happy Sunday. So what do we have today? We have 20 ounces of more silver. So let's do it one by one, you know. Let's start from this guy. So this is Golden State Mint. A very nice one. I have all this lunar series, and this is especially from Golden State. One second. Yep. Very cool mouth, right? Let me make it close. Wow. Yeah. Very cool mouse. I like this Golden State Mint. I have all of them. This is lunar calendar. Very cool. I have 7 or 8, I believe, from 2014. So this is going into this capsule. Golden State. Okay. That's a 20 more ounces. I think I did it on Black Friday from different sources. Next one is the big guy, 5 ounce. I like this Morgan silver dollar. Look on this monster. This is 5 ounce. I bought it from Golden State Mint, and they were really cheap. I believe it was under $19, like something, 18 something. Hey, I don't care, but it's below 20 bucks. For me, it's cheap like a dirt, so I keep collecting. I have a lot of 5 ounce coins, and one day I will make a video. I have probably 20 different variations of 5 ounce coin. This is a monster. This is a monster. Beautiful, beautiful coin. I'm telling you, beautiful coin. Get one. Golden State Mint. They have very good collection, and they are usually much cheaper than Upmax. Okay, for this guy I have this kind of capsule. 5 ounce capsule. So this going here. Okay. Five ounce. There is not much premium in 5 ounce coin, but the beauty is outstanding. Okay. Okay. Now I grab another guy. Okay. This is another, which is 2 ounce. Exact the same design, exact the same coin, and backside is also same. Golden State Mint. And I believe I found one more Morgan copy on Upmax. Is going to be next week. I will make a video. Okay, beautiful coins. So I'm not sure which capsule it will go. No, not this one. Probably this one. I have another capsules which are bigger. Not exact match, but yeah, will be okay for some time. Okay. So this is 2 ounce Morgan. And really I don't have many Morgans. I have only one Mai. Oops, sorry. Good that it's capsule. I have only one Morgan Mai, which is round. Golden State Mint. I bought a long time back. This is mine. So you see, I keep going on this collection. I grabbed one before, now I have 2 ounce and 5 ounce. Beautiful coin, right? Morgans. Morgans. Okay, come now. Now I have 2 guys, Aztec. Okay, this is what I grabbed for Aztec calendar. It's 2 ounce and 1 ounce bar. And I want to share with you, I have also coin, 1 ounce coin, and I also have 5 ounce. Voila! That's a nice one. 5 ounce also, okay? So you see this is the Aztec collection. 2 ounce now. And they are cheap like a dirt. I believe, like, I don't know, it was Black Friday, it's like $19, $18, $19. As I say, I don't care. I don't care about spot price. Whatever below 20 bucks is a gift. You remember my words in 1-2 years. Okay, so it's nice. It's going into the same capsule, which is for 2 ounce coins. Voila! Now I have 1, 2, 3. Nice. It all from Golden State Mint. Okay? So this is done. And I have also the bar, 1 ounce bar. It's also very nice. It's the same design, just different variation, right? Yeah, it's so good package, I cannot even open it. Okay, later on I will play with this. Just show you guys the beauty. This is Golden State Mint design. I don't know the quantity of these coins, but I don't believe they have many. And very beautiful. And I have also 10 ounce bar, which I showed you last time. Look on my previous video, you can find 10 ounce bar. Okay, so we're done with this guy. Now I bought from MCM, I think MCM name, on eBay. I bought this Sitting Liberty, right? Yeah. And I have some other coins, Liberty, which I want to share with you. Okay, so let's see what we have. We have Liberty. We have Liberty, Walking Liberty. We have Liberty. It's all rounds, you know. It's all rounds. We have another Liberty. I like to collect all these rounds, cheap like a dirt. And we have another Liberty. So I have like 5, 6 Liberty. This is one of them. And okay, let me take my gloves. Take the gloves. Yeah, 1854 Sitting Liberty. Okay, so this is going into another capsule. Okay, one more Liberty. That's Liberty are cool, so I have a bunch of them now. Again, this is Sitting Liberty, this is Walking Liberty. I think I have a couple of them. It was like 17, 18 bucks. This is a Liberty, another Liberty with empty backside. It's another Liberty. This is another Liberty, 1804 copy. Okay, this is all Liberties. What else do we have? Then we have this nice coin, the Casa Su, and Casa Su. John Wick. John Wick. John Wick. Okay, from UpMix. I believe this is, I bought it on Black Friday. They have a good discount. It was like $19, I believe. But this is really beautiful coin. Look. Look, it's like a proof. It's like a proof version. Yeah. Very cool. Very cool coin. Yeah, whatever is below 20 bucks, as I say, I don't care. I just buy all varieties because I like them. Very nice and very cool. So let's go into another capsule. Outstanding coins for so cheap, guys. Silver is a silver, right? So this is my way to stack silver. Okay, so what else we have? We have this guy. Usually Libertad, right? Libertad, yes. It's 2 ounce Libertad, and usually they are going like 60 bucks because they're rare. They're like 35,000 every year. But this time it was like $41, so it was very cheap on Black Friday. It was a deal. It was a deal on UpMax, so I bought one. Okay, so just to show you, I have 2 more. I have 17 and no, I have 18 and 17. Yes, I have 18 and 17 2 ounce. I do collect them, and they are very collectible. Okay, and I grab one more, which is okay, which is 19. Go in here. Another capsule. Yeah. Okay, so we have 3 now. This is what I call collections. I like to collect coins in different variations. I don't like to have the same coin in big quantities. And I also have the Jersey Devil 2 ounce. I have 1 ounce. If you want to see my previous video, you can see 1 ounce. And I also grab Kookaburra 2009 or 2010. Which year it is? 2010. Yes, Kookaburra. Up to 30 bucks. They still go up to 30 bucks. Whatever is more than 2010, it's like 50, 60 bucks. So I skip, but this was good. And I bought one Rwanda, which is 2014. Okay, to my collection. Yeah. And what else I want to show you? I want to show you the 5 ounce. You see? Libertad 5 ounce. Okay, just to show you, compare the 2 ounce and 5 ounce. They are beautiful coins, outstanding. As bigger it go, as better it look. Okay, guys? And for one more coin I bought for year of red and year of pig, right? These 2 coins to my previous collection. Year of mouse, year of red. Okay, okay, guys. Thank you very much. Good day. Bye bye.